So my challenges as I started this journey was I suffered a back injury. Last year it put me out for about 6 months. But Sarah worked with me and the physiotherapist. You know, we communicated through me, but through the physiotherapist, the chiropractor, what I can and cannot do. And she altered my program so that I can still do fitness in a limited or a modified fashion. So she really listened to the body, the feelings, all that stuff, and altered where it needed to be altered. And that's, to me, is important. The one-on-one coaching is very important because she takes her clients seriously, each and every one of them, and I really love that about Sarah. She's genuine, and she's truly a coach that listens to her clients and individualizes the program for you. It was grueling to get here for the last 3 weeks of getting ready, but that's okay because it was getting ready and I knew it was a goal. It is tremendous to have a photo shoot done to celebrate the journey. And I can't count my blessings enough because I've done it with now 2 of my dearest friends that are here with me. To do it with them was such a blessing. Such a blessing to do it with them. And it's quite rewarding. I mean, you never knew you could look so good, right? You cleaned up pretty good. So phenomenal, a wonderful feeling. And will I do it again when I hit my next goal? Most likely I will.